Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own caramel frappe. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of strong, chilled coffee, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite caramel sauce. Don't forget 2 cups of ice and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. This simple list ensures a delicious and refreshing drink every time. Now let's get blending. Pour your chilled coffee, milk, caramel sauce, and vanilla extract into a high-speed blender. Next, add the 2 cups of ice. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and has a thick, frosty consistency. You want it to be perfectly uniform with no ice chunks remaining for that classic frappe texture. Once your frappe is perfectly blended, it's time to assemble. Carefully pour the thick, frosty mixture into a tall glass. For an extra touch of indulgence, generously top your frappe with a swirl of whipped cream. Finally, complete your masterpiece by drizzling a bit more caramel sauce over the whipped cream. This adds both visual appeal and an extra burst of sweet flavor. For the best results, consider using cold brew coffee. It often provides a smoother, less bitter base for your frappe. Feel free to adjust the amount of caramel and sweetness to perfectly match your taste. You can also experiment with different milks or add a pinch of salt to enhance the caramel flavor. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book and other deals. Enjoy your homemade caramel frappe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.